Hello, I have a recipe for a delicious raspberry foam on sponge cake. You'll find the exact ingredients in my video description. As always, I invite new viewers to subscribe to my channel. First, beat 3 egg whites until stiff. When they start foaming, add sugar gradually. I'm using half a cup of sugar here. Mix a bit after each addition. Bake for about 15 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. Then prepare a cream with heavy cream, mascarpone, and powdered sugar. Whip it all until stiff. Next, pour in 1 cool jelly that was mixed in a glass of water. Add it to the cream after cooling. Remember, it shouldn't be warm or the cream might curdle. Soak the sponge cake with lemon water, then spread the raspberry foam on top. Chill it in the fridge for about half an hour. Next, dissolve 2 raspberry jellies in 700 milliliters of boiling water. When the jelly has cooled, add fresh or frozen raspberries. I used 450 g. Once the foam has set, pour the raspberry jelly over it. Chill in the fridge again, preferably overnight. And here's our finished cake. It's delicious. Try it out. You'll find the exact ingredients in the video description. Also, check out my blog for all my recipes. Take care.